Welcome to the Chris Distractions Faction, where today I will be doing a first time listen and reaction to Ice Nine Kills' song Rainy Day, and this is the official music video, so without further delay, let's put the headphones on and give it a listen. Okay, so I'm picking up some horror movie-esque vibes here, and it looked like they're either in some kind of a secret laboratory or a hospital of sorts.
Run. Crawl through the holes in the evidence where evil is taking up residence. No faith in what red and white will say. They save the truth for a rainy day. Fall through the cracks with the casualties. Freedom's thrown out with morality.
So freedoms with lack of morality, I believe is what he said there. So that could be taken to mean that the freedoms are being extorted and consequences not being thought of possibly. It also looks like that that was a zombie perhaps.
Become a soldier for the controller. Are you listening to the whispering? Is it sinking in? 'Cause it's sickening. Will you take the bait? Will you suffocate? 'Cause you know something is creeping in the dark.
Okay, so we started out with some strong instrumentals at the beginning there, and with not exactly harsh vocals, but they were definitely a little louder. And now we're coming in with some lighter side of the vocals here, but also it looks like we might have some more creatures coming in at this scene.
Run. Survivors have just come through. Resist the zombies and make a view. Call out the lies, blow the storm away. Don't say the truth for a rainy day. Are you listening to the whispering? Is it sinking in? 'Cause it's sickening.
Are you listening to the whispering? Is it sinking in because it's sickening? Those are some interesting lyrics there, and the aspect of the video of how they are making it here is really good as well. Now, those lyrics could be taken to mean are somebody's imposed thoughts. Are you understanding what they mean, possibly?
Next level, all access
denied. You died.
Okay, so this is putting me in mind of Resident Evil-esque vibes here, and I think, don't quote me on this exactly, but I think it looks like Spencer is being the hero in this video.
Are you listening to the whispering? Is it sinking in? 'Cause it's sickening. Will you take the bait? Will you suffocate? 'Cause you know something is creeping in. Are you listening to the whispering? Is it sinking in? 'Cause it's sickening.
Okay, so he has been infected by the zombie here, and he is turning. And also I did notice that on the keypad on the wall and also on the drums there is an umbrella symbol, so this could be a throwback to Resident Evil.
Take the bait while you suffer.
18 hours until he's back on the street, and all we got's another fucking videotape?
The fiancée dies in this tape too, doesn't she?
Okay, so to continue the story, click the link in the description. That was interesting as well to that aspect. And I gotta say, I really do like this song by Ice Nine Kills, Rainy Day, and the video is really well done. And I really do think that Umbrella is possibly a reference to Resident Evil and the Umbrella Corporation. But the video was well done, the instrumentals were great. The overall presentation of how they did the zombie infestation that was going on there, and then what looked like Spencer being the hero, I think is his name, and then how he was turned at the end, and then the woman outside of the skyscraper here at the end, how she was turned in the end, and what the monsters and everything, well, to say the least, they probably tortured her. So, but overall, this video was really good. So, if you like my reaction to this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like what I do here at the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any further recommendations by Ice Nine Kills or any other songs you would like me to react to, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.